Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator is a robust piece of equipment that offers dependability and versatility for anyone in need of reliable power, whether for home backup during outages or for recreational vehicles, RVs, on camping trips. As someone who has put this generator to the test in various scenarios, I can provide an in-depth look at its features, performance, and overall value. First and foremost, the generator's power capacity is impressive. With 4,500 starting watts and 3,500 running watts, it can easily handle the essential appliances in your home during a power outage. This includes refrigerators, lights, and even some larger devices like a well pump or a small air conditioning unit, ensuring that you remain comfortable and safe. For RV enthusiasts, this generator provides ample power for air conditioning units, microwaves, and other electrical devices, making it a reliable companion for road trips and camping adventures. The generator features a 4-stroke OHV engine, which is designed for efficient operation and durability. During my testing, the engine started reliably on the first pull, which is a crucial factor during emergencies when time is of the essence. The low oil shutdown feature is another commendable aspect. It automatically turns off the engine when oil levels drop too low, protecting the engine from damage and extending its lifespan. One of the standout features of this generator is its portability. Weighing in at approximately 100 pounds, it is equipped with never flat wheels and a fold-down handle, making it relatively easy to transport. Whether you need to move it to the front of your home during a storm or load it into your vehicle for a camping trip, the generator's design facilitates manageable mobility. However, it's worth noting that while it's portable, it does require some effort to lift and adjust, so having another person to assist can be helpful. Noise level is an important consideration with any generator, and the Generac 4500 watt model performs admirably in this regard. While all gas generators produce some noise, this model operates at a relatively low decibel level compared to others in its class. This is particularly advantageous when using it in a residential area or during nighttime hours while camping. In terms of runtime, the generator is equipped with a 4-gallon fuel tank, which provides a runtime of up to 15 hours at half load. This is particularly useful for extended power outages or long trips away from home, as it minimizes the frequency of refueling. During my usage, I found that the generator consistently delivered power without faltering, giving me peace of mind knowing that I could rely on it for extended periods. Furthermore, the control panel is well laid out and easy to understand. It features multiple 120V outlets, a 12V DC outlet for charging batteries, and circuit breakers for added safety. The addition of an easy-to-read fuel gauge and hour meter helps you monitor fuel levels and usage, ensuring you're always informed about the generator's status. One potential drawback that some users might find is the lack of advanced features like electric start. This generator relies on a recoil start, which can be challenging for some users, particularly the elderly or those with limited strength. While I personally had no issue with the recoil start, it is something to consider if you anticipate needing the generator during a crisis when quick access is paramount. In terms of assembly and setup, the Generac generator requires minimal effort. It arrives mostly assembled, with only a few components needing to be attached. The instructions provided are clear and straightforward, allowing users to get the generator up and running in no time. Lastly, Generac is known for its strong customer service and support. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, their online resources and customer service team are readily accessible, further enhancing the value of your purchase. In conclusion, the Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator stands out as an excellent investment for anyone needing reliable power at home or on the go. Its combination of power, portability, and durability makes it a versatile choice for